Hello again. Remember, if everyone's watched the first video that I put on about this rotating LED light, and you found it didn't work at the end, it just lit up there. It's supposed to rotate. Well, I've got the replacement one, what I said I'd get. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fix all these practice components on. And considering it didn't record most of the ones, especially the smaller ones there, which are the smallest resistors, tiny things, I'm just going to get the microscope going. I'm going to film fixing a couple of each of these on all these 6 rows first of all, and then we'll do the centre bit and take care to put them all on correctly. I used a heat gun on a lot of it last time, but when I got to the LEDs it melted quite a few of them, so I had to get some new LEDs and put them on. So what I'm going to do, the only time I'm going to use the heat gun is when I put the chips on, which is that one, and the MOSFETs, which are here, there and there. The rest of it I'm going to do with soldering iron, and I'm just going to tin up one side each time, solder the component on, and then solder the next, the other side on afterwards. So we'll go through all that, and then hopefully when I connect up this to it and put some power into it, it'll work correctly this time, hopefully. So fingers crossed. Okay, I've got all those together now. That's the new one, that's the old one. So a couple of things to show you, so I'll just get this going. Right, so this is the old one. I'll go through all the chips. This is my first attempt, this one. I'll go to that bit. And then just the ring and chips in the middle. And then there's these on this side. And if you remember on the other video, there was two I lost, well 3, sorry, I lost of those little tiny ones. So they're missing there. This is the new board. So if it doesn't work, if anything else, I think I've got better at my soldering and positioning things. To me, this looks a lot better, this board. There's all them across there. There's the chips. Chip. And then these, I've come across a problem on this board. These are just practice ones, so they don't do anything to the actual rotating wheel working. But if you notice here, I'll just get me prodders, show you properly. When I was going to do these ones, R62 and R63, the actual strip came out, so it must not have been in properly because it didn't take much heat and it come out. So, but what I'm going to do, I've ordered, I've actually ordered what do you call it? I've ordered some thingy mask, you know, a solder mask, that's it, and some 1mm wire. So what I'll do, I'll make another video and I'll repair this section so I can connect those resistors in there on another video. I haven't got them yet, I've ordered them but they haven't come yet, so that's another for another time. But yeah, as you can see, I think I've got a lot better with me positioning and soldering now. Yeah, so if nothing else, if it doesn't work, then at least I'm getting a lot of practicing with me soldering. So yeah, so only one thing to do now, and that's give it a try, I suppose. So I'll just get me stuff together and I'll be back to test it. Right, I've got my voltage power supply here. I've connected the earth wire to the negative on the new board, which I'll just tidy that up a bit. It's got a good connection. Put that there. There we go. This is the old one. So I'm going to plug this in and show you what it was doing if you haven't seen the first video. If you do want to look back at the first video, it's on my page. So that's what happened after last time I did it. Just solid lights. But it's supposed to do a dance and things. I don't know exactly how, but what it does, but it's supposed to rotate the lights anyway. So what I'll do, I'll set this power supply up. I'll set it to about 12 volts. There we go, 12. Right, here we go. Is it going to work? Keep your fingers crossed for me. Oh yes, get in there. That's what it was supposed to do in the first place. So yeah, it's all done and working. That's great. Yeah, so what I'll do next, because I've already shown you the strip missing on that, when my solder mask and the UV light dryer and the wire all turns up, I'll come back to this. I'll repair that section, and then I'm gonna test this board and then see what's wrong on this board, see if I can get that to do what that's doing. So, but I am dead chuffed with that. Like I say, it's doing what it should do, which is good. Right, if you enjoyed this, like I say, please look back on the first video if you'd like to. I've got other videos on as well. I'd appreciate it if you had a look over all those as well. If you like these videos, could you like and subscribe for me? Click your notifications, because there'll be more videos coming up. And yeah, I'd like to say thank you to everyone who's actually subscribed up to now. I'd like some comments. I'd like to get to know some of the new people who are watching, and get your feedback on what I'm doing and things like that. But yeah, thank you very much for everyone who's subscribed. It really means a lot, and it's helping me keep going, and it's really helping me doing this. I feel a hell of a lot better than I did from the first video. If you look through, if you do watch through the videos, I think you'll see that that I'm getting happier in myself. But yeah, I'm dead chuffed from the first day of starting, and then I've done it again and it's worked perfect. It shows me that I'm on the right tracks, and I'm getting there with these projects now. It was a bit disheartening the first time, you know, with having 2 projects fail on me. Speaking of the other project, the other clock, this clock, what I did, that's come, so I'll be doing a video of that as well, a revisit on that in the future, near future, so I'll keep your eyes out for that as well. Right, well, I'll wrap this video up, and like I say, thanks again for everyone who subscribed. It really appreciates it, and like I say, it's helping me, spurring me on, so thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.